Hello everybody, welcome back to Com Concepts Pro. Today we are going to learn how we can merge two arrays. I have explained two methods for this operation and a C++ program as well. So let's get started.
Merging refers to combining or copying the elements of two arrays. This can be carried out in two ways. First, we can copy all the elements of one array at the end of another array, or we can copy the elements of both the arrays into a third array. Let's see these examples. First, we'll see how we can copy the elements of one array into another array. Suppose this is one of our arrays, array 1, and this is another array, array 2. And after copying the elements of array 1 in array 2 will finally look like this. In the second method, we will copy the elements of both the arrays into a third array. So this is array 1, array 2. Now we'll copy the elements from both the arrays into a third array. So array 3 will look like this. Let's understand the program for merging the two arrays. Let's understand the program for merging the two arrays. Inside the main function, I am declaring the two arrays, array 1 and array 2, and few more variables that I'll use in the program, and finally a third array which will hold the values of both these arrays. Then I'll ask the user to enter the size and elements of array 1 and size and elements of array 2. Then I'll add both the sizes and assign the value to the variable size. We'll see in the program why we have done that. Now, first I'll discuss the first method in which I'll copy the elements of array 1 in array 2. So this is the loop for the same. Here, I will start from index position from where its empty positions are starting, from where the empty positions of array 2 are starting. J we are using for array 1, so it will start from index position 0 because we have to copy all of its elements from the beginning. Then I should run up to the combined value of sizes of both the arrays, which is denoted by this variable size. And then within this loop, we'll copy the elements of array 1 at the end of array 2. So let's run the program to see how this is being carried out. So as you can see, this 9013, these are the elements are of array 2. These elements are of array 2 and the elements of array 1, they have been copied at the end of array 2. Now let's see the second method in which we'll copy the elements of both the arrays into a third array. So I'll decomment the rest of the parts and comment the parts that I was using previously for the first method. So here in this method, the loop runs somewhat like this. So I will start from 0 and this k we are using for the third array, which is the array merge. And here in this for loop, we have already copied the elements of array 1 into the array merge. And here we are copying the elements of array 2 into the array merge at the end of array merge. So the k will start from the empty positions of merge array. Like here we have already copied the elements of array 1 in merge, and then from where the empty positions are starting, from there we will again start the loop for copying the elements of array 2 into this third array. So let's first save the program and then run it. So now here, as you can see, these are the elements of first array 1 2 3 4 5, and these two are the elements of the second array. So this is the third array which is being displayed.